I'm a god, I'm a real lord. Who you think the billboard was built for?
Alright, so Champ Sports hit me up and said that they were going to send over this pair of sneakers. They are a pair of Jordans, and these dropped over the weekend. I'm excited to check these out because I was planning on copping this particular pair, and it's sold out. So it's pretty interesting though. We got to talk a little bit about it, but let me show you guys the sneakers real quick first. Looks like we got a different box than normal. I am down with this. I did not know that there was an exclusive box for this sneaker. This is all white with a reflective red Jumpman. So these dropped over the weekend and they were actually a Sunday release, which is pretty interesting. Usually it's Saturdays for Jordans. It's always been like that. And these actually dropped on a Sunday, which is interesting. So $318 on the paper, and that should give you guys an idea as to what these are. These are nice. These are super nice. We got the Air Jordan Retro 10. I'm back. So March 18th, 1985, Jordan comes back out of retirement and he releases a press statement, and it only says 2 words, I'm back. So most of you know the story. Jordan had retired to play baseball, and then he came back out of retirement, and then these are celebrating his return. Let me just say this real quick. These joints are clean, super clean. Maybe one of the cleanest 10s to release in a long time, in my opinion. These are really nice with this simple black and white colorway. On the left pull tab of the sneaker, it says I'm back in red, and then on the right it says the date 3/18/1995. Usually with the 10s, they do some color blocking on the outsole to highlight all these accomplishments and achievements that Jordan has in his career. This time they kept it all white, and I think that looks so smooth. It's like predictable that they're gonna use that type of color blocking on Jordan 10s. So the fact that they kept it all white on here is a good look in my opinion. They did use a black Jumpman, so the leather quality is decent, nothing amazing, but it's a soft white tumble leather. These are definitely gonna be nice for the spring and the summertime, and I'm excited to rock them. But what's interesting about these is that they sold out on most websites. So like Foot Locker, Champs, Finish Line, all those places, this sneaker sold out. It's still available directly from Nike in some sizes, but it's interesting that these sold out. The Game Royal 13s sold out. The black and red, I believe they're called PE, Jordan 9s sold out, and a couple others have sold out kind of quick, a little bit quicker than normal. It's questionable to say the least because, you know, Jordan Brand kind of said that they were gonna start making retros a little bit more limited this year. And that was kind of a head scratcher to me because why would they come out and say that? Why wouldn't they just do it? And that might be a play towards restocks. Restocks are nothing new for us. We see them all the time, and for the most part I don't even click on restocks because they usually go really quick, or it's like a fake restock where there's not many sizes, or there's just nothing I want. The other thing is that restocks get noticed. They get posted by blogs. We talk about them on our channels. So is that kind of part of Jordan Brand's marketing campaign just to keep the buzz going? I'm not really sure. I wouldn't be surprised. I highly doubt that they cut their inventory in half with these retro releases. If they scaled back just a little bit, that would make sense to me because obviously Jordan retros have been overproduced over the past couple of years, but to make them so limited that they sell out in a day, I'm not really sure that I buy it. Definitely let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. I may be completely wrong. I wanted to cop a pair of these, and ESPN had posted something about this, and Nike has been pushing it hard with this I'm Back campaign. So these selling out is definitely a possibility. That may have actually happened, and this may not apply to the whole restock thing. The Game Royal 13s, I could kind of see those selling out as well because that's a pretty nice colorway on those 13s. But the black and red 9s, I just don't buy that one. That is the one that sticks out to me. I really don't buy that those sold out. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think, and if you want a pair, keep an eye out on the Champ Sports website. I would not be surprised if these restock. So shouts to Champs for sending these over. Keep an eye out for the on-feet video of these sneakers. I just don't have the time to make it right this second. These literally just showed up. I opened them on camera because I wanted to talk about this topic real quick, but I will be doing an on-feet with these, so keep an eye out for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Definitely hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. I'll talk to you later. Peace.